Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this moment, notice the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Now soar the pesi, step without solidity momentum now. Now bring your awareness to the space inside your body. Feel the gentle rise, and with each exhale, allow any tension you've been carrying to soften, to release, to dissolve into the stillness around you. Now, bring your awareness to the space inside your body. Steady, constant, alive. Mais that you, a living, breathing, radiant being of health and vitality. Now, I invite you to recall a time when you felt truly vibrant. Fulton, perhaps it was a morning when you woke up feeling refreshed and full of energy. Or a moment when you were outdoors, feeling the sun. As you feel that state of vitality, notice where it resides in your body. Is it a warmth in your chest? A tingling in your hands? A lightness in your head? And whatever it is, simply observe it without judgment. And now, as you breathe in, imagine that feeling expanding, growing stronger, filling every cell of your being. To the presence, this is your anchor. This feeling of vibrant health is a resource you can access anytime, anywhere. And with each breath, you are deepening this anchor, making it stronger, more accessible. So Lord, now repeat these words silently in your mind, or let them echo through your consciousness. I am whole. I am healthy. I am alive with vital energy. Feel the truth of these words resonate in your bones, not as a hope for the future, but as a present reality. Now, your body is already listening. Your cells are already responding, and you can sense a shift, a subtle movement toward balance and harmony. With every breath you take, you are nourishing every cell. Oxygen flows in, carrying life and renewal. And as you exhale, you release anything that no longer serves you. Tension, fatigue, stagnation. Mon, this cycle of breath is a perfect metaphor for your body's ability to renew itself. Matey, inhale, vitality. Exhale, release. Inhale, strength. Exhale, ease. Now, bring your attention to your heart. With each breath, catch a fillet. Imagine a warm golden light glowing in the center of your chest. This light is your life force, your vitality, your resilience, your innate health. With each breath, this light grows brighter, warmer, more expansive. With each breath of proud each where it begins to radiate outward, flowing through your arteries, your veins, your capillaries, reaching every organ, every tissue, every cell. Feel this golden light moving through your body, cleansing, healing, revitalizing everything it touches. Your heart beats with a steady, powerful rhythm, pumping this light through your entire being. And as this light reaches your lungs, they expand fully, easily, taking in the breath of life. Your lungs are clear, strong, and efficient, exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide with perfect ease. Feel the air filling your chest and know that every breath is a gift of now. Bring the light to your brain. Your mind is clear, focused, and calm. Your thoughts are positive and empowering, supporting your health and vitality. We are in a state of coherence where your mind and body are aligned in perfect health. How? My body is a temple of health. My body is a temple of health. How? Every cell in my body vibrates with vitality. I am grateful for my body's wisdom and strength. I am radiant with life energy. My immune system is strong and intelligent. I am protected and supported by my body's natural defenses. I am full of energy, ready to embrace each day. I am in perfect health, and I am grateful. And as you sit with these affirmations, you might notice a shift in your body. Perhaps a warmth spreading through your chest, a tingling in your fingertips, a sense of lightness or expansion. This is your body's response to the truth you are speaking. Trust this sensation. It is real. It is your body aligning with health. Now, imagine a future version of yourself, vibrant, energetic, and full of life. See this version of you waking up each morning, feeling refreshed and excited for the day. See this version of you waking up each morning. Feel the emotions of this future self, the gratitude, the vitality, the peace. Let those emotions fill you now. Clust, now I breathe. You are becoming this to get the pizzas I breathe. You are becoming this. You are already this. Now take a moment to anchor this state. Bring your thumb and index finger together gently. As you do, feel the fullness of this vitality, this health, this energy. Press your fingers together and take a deep breath in. This touch is your anchor. Anytime you need to access this state, you can bring your thumb and finger together, and the feeling will return. And again, press and feel. This anchor is yours to use anytime, anywhere. And as you continue to breathe, know that this transformation is not limited to this meditation. It is unfolding in every moment of your day. Affine, your body is constantly renewing itself. Your cells are regenerating. Your energy is rising. Stops. Now stops, enjoy it. Now breathe. Casture, restored out by the January. Stops, is my pratted together. And feel the wave of health and vitality wash over you. For release, and again, a quote, and together, pass and feel, which I every moment die you. This tichoid is his kilts of loo, make just body a locks, make date of shells, make mate and in the gets, eat boozlade, In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Joe's transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Core. Until we meet again in stillness.